you ready for the Mountain Dew challenge?
Do the Mountain Dew challenge. Do. Let's download an image from the internet. Here you go. We got our Mountain Dew JPEG. Now let's open it in Photoshop. Let's get rid of that background. Turn it into a PNG. That's right. Transparency rules. Let's make another image representing the top of the bottle. Just the green little circle will do. Now let's take that front PNG and give it a random number representing the UPC code. Copy and paste it. Change the extension to .1, .2. The top we change to .3. Get rid of that PNG and tell your Mac you want to use .1, .2, and .3 to do the do.
Are you ready for the Mountain Dew challenge?
Once we got those three images, let's head on over to Esko Store Visualizer. Models, import, GS1 images. Point to your first image.
Yeah.
And let Store Visualizer do the magic from 2D to 3D in a matter of seconds. Now let's place this 2 layers high. Select and break it to objects, and now let's activate our physics engine and pull 1 bottle. Yay!
Yeah.
Looking awesome. Now here we go. Let's do the do.
Are you ready for the Mountain Dew challenge?
Wee.
Yeah.
Let's do the do. Mountain Dew. Wee.
Yeah.
Now these bottles are pretty big. 3.45 feet high. These are massive Mountain Dew bottles. Let's change the scale. Boom, and just like magic, here we go. And let's keep on doing the do. Let's grab that little sucker there. No, we can't grab him. Nope, here we go. Let's grab this one. Whee! Thanks for watching, folks.